very loud. Leave it to my buddy Chase to always have the loudest cars possible. He even has like the loudest Rolls Royce possible. Sideswept by a FedEx truck. Okay, bye bye. I don't know if it's fast or if it's just really loud. It's so loud that I can't really focus on anything else. Honestly, it's not that fast. It just makes a lot of noise. Sorry, Chase, but it's fast for an SUV, but it's way too loud. It does launch pretty good though. Launch myself to the ear doctor real quick.
This car to the back. We're replacing the door, but it's not letting me drive the car, so I gotta do it very slowly.
Alright, so this Dawn had a collision on the door, so we have the door off right now. We're gonna be replacing it. The problem with this car, with the door off, the car doesn't want to drive. So you either drive really, really slow or really, really fast. So it's still a constant scare because it like really jolts you. It goes into park automatically. So it's kind of scary, but we're gonna try it. So try to go really slow.
So as you guys can remember, we remember very well. 100,000 subscribers, this was amazing. And now it's at, we're at 150, so 150, very quick, that was pretty cool. We'll be at 200 in no time.
We are doing a tire repair, a wheel repair. He scraped the rim, so we're gonna repowder coat it.
Oh my god, no way. They could have had something a little bit bigger. What in the world is this? It looks like a makeup mirror that so I put makeup on. That's how small it is.
What's up, my brother?
That's how you push a Lambo. Because
The car can't go over like 5 miles per hour and it's making noise and everything. Our buddy went a little too aggressive on his Aventador, which is odd because you're supposed to go aggressive, but we think the axle's broken. So it's all-wheel drive. One of the axles look like it's broken. We're gonna check it out right now and see what we're gonna do. The axle is broken right behind the hub of this car. Too much power. It's not supposed to happen, but it does.
Where you guys from?
Canada, Calgary.
Canada?
Calgary, yeah.
Oh, cool. All right.
Yeah, man. Six shop.
Nice.
Wondering what you got for me. Egyptian pattern, it's hard to beat. My lady on me. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cutter is out to be my lady only.
Alright, we're finishing up this 2018 Panamera right now. We got some Forgiato 22-inch flow wheels, the perfect tire size, very wide setup on this car with the tires. We also lowered it. Right now we're doing the final steps of the adjustment for lowering. It's on our alignment rack, which is super straight. You have to do this on an alignment rack or else your car's gonna look crooked when you're driving. So right now the front is perfect. This is in Sport Plus mode on this car. Sport Plus mode goes even lower. So the back, we're gonna go down another ½ an inch to match the front. Sport Plus mode will look insane. And then when he wants to drive regularly, he'll put it in regular mode. He'll go up to the medium lift. It'll be easier to drive, but Sport Plus, we're gonna try to make this thing look amazing. So we're almost done with it.
Butterflies.
What do you do when you face situations?
Fix them. Always fix them.
Get that shoe. Hey. The worst thing in the world, God. Hey, stop.
That's definitely a broken axle. We have the new axle, we're gonna install it all in a few hours. The Lamborghini dealer would charge something outrageous for this job, but we're gonna be charging like a normal car. So the part plus some labor, good to go. No exaggerated fees, none of that stuff. So anything you got, we take care of it.
Another happy customer.
Emblems here, they look gray right now, mainly because this is the sealer coat. These are chrome emblems. You have to do the right procedures before blacking them out. If you do not put sealer on it, the black will eventually chip off and the chrome will show, which is absolutely a horrendous look. So you gotta do the proper steps before painting it black.
Hey, check the floor. Oh, fuck! Part 2. Go.
Don't. It's gonna burn, bro. Don't play with that. It's on fire.
So we just replaced the door on this Royce Dawn because it was unfortunately damaged. You guys saw the car without a door on there. So we replaced everything and now we're doing testing, making sure it's working on driving. These cars in park, it might not have errors, but once you drive it, errors might show up. So this door has self-closing. It's got a lot of things going on in the Rolls-Royce doors. So once you start driving, it tests it out. So we're just making sure, seeing if it's giving us any errors. We have the computer hooked up as well. So I'm just gonna see if it's gonna give us any errors, reset them, fix that stuff before we release it to the customer.
car, we rewrapped it. Customer's happy, we detailed it.
Wow, it's 6 o'clock. We did like 20-30 cars today. The Panamera we just finished. We lowered it. It's a brand new Panamera. Looks great with the flow wheels. Customer's here to pick it up. And that's it, so on to the next one.
I wanted to be famous too for a second and just say if you don't bring your car to RDBLA, you're making the wrong move.
See, he knows what's up.
I've been bringing my cars to them actually for the past 8 years. I've probably brought over 15 cars to them, from Rolls Royce to SLS to Toyotas. They do it all.
Rich guy. Rich guy.
Where's the money? Give me money.
I'm gonna launch it. I'm gonna try to launch it. No. Fuck no. So, we just finished the axle. We're on the test drive now. We're gonna test it. This is definitely one of those times that a test drive is warranted, so. I was with the back window open and I didn't have my seatbelt on. Aventador. Even these cars are not a problem for us, so. Got a Aventador with issues, scared to take it to the dealer. You know where to go. Alright, so we got a Tesla model P100D behind me. Customer brought it in, wanted a blackout. We did a satin blackout on it. So all the trims, the wheels, the emblems, the front grille, all that stuff has been blacked out now. We did a mixture of paint and wrap because on the emblems you cannot wrap it. Window trims were wrapped, the wheels were powder coated. The blackouts look really good on the Tesla, especially when it's black. We also tinted the vehicle so it looks dark. I mean, really looks like a Darth Vader Tesla now. So if you guys got a Tesla also, do our work on it, we can make it look better. No point to drive a stock Tesla, bring it over, let's do a blackout, let's do a wrap, let's do wheels, whatever you want, we do it here at RDB. On to the next one.